Uniswap price prediction. Bearish sentiment took root as Uniswap token struggled to climb past $33 over the weekend, and combined with Bitcoin's descent over the past few hours, Uni has taken a hit in the market as well. It has lost the $31.7 and $30.5 levels to the bears and was headed to $29.3. Uniswap has lost nearly 11% within the past 36 hours and was headed toward the $29.3 area of support once more. So if you look at the Uniswap 1 hour chart, we can say the short-term outlook for Uniswap was strongly bearish. Uni fell beneath multiple levels of support and was back to trading at the base of the descending channel that the price broke out of a few days ago. Over the next few hours, it appeared likely that a visit of $29.27 would be seen. Repeated retests of a level of support or resistance for that matter weakens the said level. This could see $29.3 shaded to bearish pressure in the coming days. Defense of the $29.3 level could see Uniswap bounce between support at $29.27 and $30.5 in consolidation. On the hourly chart, the RSI fell beneath neutral 50 and was trading near the 35 value, indicating strong bearish momentum in recent hours. The awesome oscillator was also moving beneath the zero line. The previous day noted the AO forming bearish twin peak setup, and subsequently the AO crossed over into bearish territory. Some hope for the bulls was that the past week's selling volume, although consistent, was not enough to undo the significant buying volume of the rally from late February. The super trend indicator had flipped to show the open of a short position when Uni was valued at $31.86 a few hours ago. The indicator did not yet flip back to bullish with $31, being the level Uni would need to climb above to force this flip. On the 4 hour chart, Uniswap price is right above a key support level. Several metrics show that Uni faces barely any resistance above $30. The TD sequential indicator is on the verge of presenting a buy signal for Uniswap. Uniswap has been trading above a key support level around $30 on the 4 hour chart since March 7. Another successful defense of this critical point, and Uni could quickly see a massive rebound as it faces almost no resistance ahead. On the 4 hour chart, Uniswap has created a robust support trend line at $30, which has held the price several times in the past week. Additionally, the TD sequential indicator has presented a red 8 candlestick, which is usually followed by a buy signal. Another successful defense of the key support level should push Uniswap price towards the last high at around $34. The in out of the money around price, which is IOMAP chart, also indicates that Unibulls face low resistance ahead. The most significant resistance area is located between $31.8 and $32.4, where Uniswap price could pause briefly before resuming its bounce towards $34. Additionally, it seems that large holders have been accumulating a lot of Uni tokens in the past week. Since March 10, the number of holders with 10,000 to 100,000 Uni increased by 56. Similarly, the number of whales with 100,000 to 1 billion coins increased by 10. This adds even more credence to the bullish outlook. To invalidate the upcoming rebound, bears will need to push Uniswap price below $30 with a 4 hour candlestick close. However, the IOMAP chart still shows a lot of support between $29 and $27.2, which means bears could push Uniswap down to $27.2 with a breakdown below $30, but probably not further. Bitcoin's continued losses in the market had an influence on most altcoins, Uni being one of them. Bulls should look to halt the slide at $29.3, but it would be a tough task, especially if Bitcoin and Ether continue to post losses as well. This is not a financial advice, this is just an opinion. I hold no liability for any loss or profit. So subscribe to my channel for more technical analysis. Thank you everyone.